Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about locators and Selenium. In this tutorial I will explain what are locators, how they work and the different types of locator you can use to interact with web elements in Selenium. In Selenium, different types of locators for interacting the element ID, name, CSS selector, tag name and class name, partial link texts, and link text. These are the different locators in a Selenium. Now, I will show you in a practical how to locate the element by locator. For finding the locators, if you want to click on this username field, password, and click on this submit button, for interacting this element, you need to find the locators. Different types of locators in a Selenium. Right click on this field, username field. Here you can view different locators, name, and the value is username. And second locator ID, then this value is username. Copy this ID. First, I will show you how to locate the element for with ID and then locate this element by name. Copy this username and use here from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and import by. Next, we will locate the element by ID. Use username is equal to browser. Here I use browser because here I initialize the WebDriver by using browser. If you enter here driver, so you will use driver. Use browser dot find element by dot. Here you can view different locators are available: ID, name, CSS selector, XPath, tag name, class name, link text, partial link text. These are the locators. For now, use the ID and next comma and enter the ID value here, which is username. Next, we need to enter some data in this username field. Username available, which is student. So we will use here username. Username dot send keys and enter username here student. Next, change this URL. Remove this URL. Enter URL here. Let's run this script. Right click and run script. First, it will navigate to this URL and enter the username. Let's add some weight here. For adding the weight, use import time. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain you about the implicit weight and explicit weight. This is the best way for weight in a Selenium. Currently, I will use this time dot select and add some weight here, 200 millisecond. Now run first step. This is the file name. Here you can view first script. Run. Now it will navigate to this URL. Enter username and wait for 200 millisecond. And now I will show you how to locate the element by name. Right click, inspect, and use this name value username. Just you need to change here by dot name. All are same. Let's again run this script. Click on stop and run. Already run. Navigate to this URL and locate the element by name. ID locator is faster and most reliable locator since ID are unique on a web page. Name locator used for locating form elements when ID are not available. CSS selector powerful and efficient for locating elements, offer faster and more concise than XPath. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe SQ1 for more testing tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more testing tips and tricks. Keep learning and keep testing.